Hello and very welcome to our Depence² tutorial series. In this video we're going to show you the terrain mass placement tool, which lets you create flourishing vegetation within the Depence² 3D world. At first we're heading to the library. You can find all kinds of vegetation models under Models and Vegetation. Just choose your preferred object. In this example we will add some more trees to the scene. Place your model by drag and drop into the 3D world. In case you would like to add a huge number of trees, it would be really time consuming to manually drag and drop every single object into the 3D world. For that reason, Depence² comes with a mass placement tool. You can select this tool by clicking its icon within the toolbar to your left. You will notice that the tool will automatically open the tool window on the right. Now you won't need to drag your tree models into the 3D world, but into the thumbnail tab. Repeat this step for every model you would like to add. Please be reminded that the mass placement tool can also be used for any kind of model, not just trees. For example, it also lets you create big crowds by using 3D models of people. You can easily set different parameters while using the terrain tool. The tool radius determines the magnitude of the area where models will be placed. The distance will determine the minimum distance between each model. You can also set the number of objects that will be placed. To randomize the placement and to make your scene look more natural, you can use different parameters such as size, rotation, or again number. Size will determine the maximum and minimum difference of size each model will have in contrast to another. The same goes for the rotation and number parameters. After setting everything up as you would like, just hover over your chosen area and place your models by clicking the left mouse button. You can even draw on different levels within the 3D world, as the tool will recognize any height difference of the terrain. Using this method, you really can speed up your design process. All models will save the information that they were placed directly onto the 3D surface. Therefore, they will automatically be rearranged when using the sculpturing tool. All positions will permanently be updated.